हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल रत्नत्राया में आपका स्वागत है। और आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे टेस्ट जो थर्ड है एडिटोरिया का करंट अफेयर का प्रैक्टिस सेट थर्ड। ओके, सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं विदाउट एनी डिले। एंड अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, शेयर एंड लाइक टू माई चैनल। थैंक यू। सो लेट्स कम टू द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे विच इज़ जो कि टेस्ट 3 है। ओके, सो पहला क्वेश्चन है हमारा, मैच लिस्ट 1 एंड लिस्ट 2 एंड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट यूजिंग द कोड गिवन बिलो। ओके, सो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज लिस्ट 1 में स्कीम्स है, लिस्ट सेकंड में स्टार्ट किसने कब हुआ है वो दिया गया। होगा, सो लेट्स मैच इट। सो फर्स्ट वन इज बिहार पत्रकार सम्मान स्कीम कब ये लॉन्च हुआ था? इट्स लॉन्च इन जुलाई 26, 2025। सो दिस वन इज करेक्टली मैच। नेक्स्ट वन इज चीफ मिनिस्टर प्रतीक्षा योजना लॉन्च्ड इन जुलाई 1, 2025। सो बी का क्या हो जाएगा? 3। एंड चीफ मिनिस्टर गुरु शिष्य परंपरा योजना लॉन्च्ड इन जुलाई 2025। सो आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी विच इज़ 1 का 1 ही हो जाएगा, एंड बी का 3 हो जाएगा, एंड सी का 2 हो जाएगा। ओके, सो आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट वन। लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच इज वेयर विल India's first and world's fourth energy museum built? कहाँ पे बनाया गया है? इंडिया का फर्स्ट और वर्ल्ड का फोर्थ एनर्जी म्यूजियम। सो इट्स बिल्ट इन कोलकाता, बेंगलुरु, पटना और दिल्ली। सो इट्स बिल्ट इन पटना। ओके, सो ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द करेक्ट वन। लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द decision of the Bihar cabinet, what has been the new name of the जननायक कर्पूरी ठाकुर स्मृति संग्रहालय बिन अमेंडेड? इसका नेम चेंज किया गया है बिहार कैबिनेट के द्वारा। न्यू नेम क्या है? सो भारत रत्न जननायक कर्पूरी ठाकुर मेमोरियल म्यूजियम कम रीडिंग रूम, भारत रत्न कर्पूरी ठाकुर म्यूजियम, कर्पूरी ठाकुर रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट, जननायक कर्पूरी ठाकुर नेशनल म्यूजियम। So answer for this question is option number A is the correct one, which is renamed as Bharat Ratna जननायक कर्पूरी ठाकुर मेमोरियल म्यूजियम कम रीडिंग रूम। Okay, so option A is the correct one for this question. Okay, next question is what is the main objective of द प्रपोज्ड बिहार ग्रीन क्लाइमेट फंड? ओके, इसका मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है बिहार ग्रीन क्लाइमेट फंड का? सो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज promoting agriculture export. No, it's not correct one, it's incorrect. ये इसका मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं है। increasing industrial investment in the state. No. establishing new energy companies in the state. No, it's also incorrect. So answer for this question is option number D is the correct one, which is none of the above is main objective of the बिहार ग्रीन क्लाइमेट चेंज। ओके, सो अगर ये तीनों नहीं है तो कौन सा हो जाएगा? सो फर्स्ट की अगर हम बात करते हैं, फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है बिहार ग्रीन क्लाइमेट फंड की? सो फर्स्ट वन इज इंक्रीज करना ग्रीन कवर। ओके, ग्रीन कवर अक्रॉस द स्टेट, एंड सेकेंड वन इज द protect and conserve the environment, protect and conserve the environment, and third one is the mitigate the impact of climate change and rising temperature, mitigate the impact of the climate change and rising, मतलब जो टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज हो रहा है उसको मिटिगेट करना। ओके, सो दिस वन इज द थर्ड। सो आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द करेक्ट one, because none of the above is correct main objective of the Bihar Green Climate Fund. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is Which of the following is included in 8 tourism circuit identified by the tourism department? So first one is sanctuary wildlife circuit. Is it true? Yes, it's a correct one. Next one is Buddhist and Sikh circuit. Yes, it's also include. Shiv Shakti circuit and Ramayana circuit. Yes, it's also include. So answer for this question is option number D. All of the above is correct one. Okay. Let's come to the next question, which is Bihar's average per capita income has seen a consistent upward trend, and what is the current figure for the latest financial year? So, is it 76,490, 95,784, 65,786, or 72,876? So answer for this question is option number A is the correct one, which is 76,490 is the latest financial year's Bihar's average per capita income. Okay, so answer is option number A. Let's come to the next question, which is select the correct statement about the Police Didi scheme and the CrimeAct portal. Okay, correct statement choose करना है related to Police Didi scheme and CrimeAct portal. Okay, so first statement is the state police department launched the community driven Police Didi scheme in various districts. Is it true? Yes, it's a correct one. Next one is the Bihar police has received the major upgrade by integrating with the National CrimeAct, which is crime multi agency center portal. Yes, it's also correct. Okay, so next statement इसका क्या है? So there is the another statement related to this question, which is this grassroots initiative is specifically designed to build trust, confidence and safety between the law enforcement and local women. Yes, it's also correct. So answer for this question is option number D is the correct one, which is all three statements is correct. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is Bihar has officially been declared a state of monumental achievement in internal security. So it's a Naxal free, drug free, terrorism free, or none of the above. So answer for this question is option number A, which is Naxal free. Okay, next question is the Bihar government successfully signed monumental memorandum of understanding, which is MOU, worth how many rupees during the high profit AI impact summit held in New Delhi? So is it 468 crore, 592 crore, 570 crore, or 992 crore? So answer for this question is 468 crore is the correct one. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is Bihar's first bullet train will run from the Varanasi to Siliguri via Patna. Where will its station be established in Bihar? कहाँ पे बिहार में इसका स्टेशन बनाया जाएगा फर्स्ट बुलेट ट्रेन का? ओके, जो कि वाराणसी से सिलीगुड़ी तक जाएगा. सो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज पटना टू पूर्णिया, पटना एंड पूर्णिया, Patna and Bhagalpur, Patna and Katihar, Gayaji and Bhagalpur. So answer for this question is option number C is the correct one, which is in Patna and Katihar. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is Anju Kumari. Anju Kumari, a resident of which district of Bihar, won 4 gold medal in the 16th National Athletics Championship, which is held in Thiruvananthapuram. So she is related from Bhojpur, Jamui, Banka and Saharsa. So answer for this question is option number A. She is related from Bhojpur. Okay, so answer is option number A. Let's come to the next question. Where will the Bihar's Women Kabaddi League Where will the Bihar's Women Kabaddi League be held from 6th of March to 12th of March? So it's held in Patliputra Sports Complex, Rajgir Sports Complex, Birsa Munda Sports Complex. So answer for this question is option number A is the correct one, which is held in Patliputra Sports Complex. Okay, and comment me where it is located. पाटलिपुत्र स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स कहाँ पे लोकेट करता है, विच मीन्स बिहार के किस डिस्ट्रिक्ट में. ओके, लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिपोर्ट रिलीज्ड बाय द यूनियन गवर्नमेंट of Jal Shakti and National Mission for Clean Ganga NMCG in November 2025, in which city of Bihar is construction of the state of the art centralized sewage treatment plant and interceptor drainage network at a cost of 364.34 crore in the final stage. It's in Chhapra, Munger, Katihar and Buxar. So answer for this question is option number C, which is in Katihar. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is select the incorrect statement and choose the correct answer using code. Okay, so first statement is Bihar government has announced the construction of an international airport in Sonpur, Daryapur in Saran district. Is it true? Yes, it's a correct one, but there is asking about the incorrect statement. So this is option is incorrect, so ये भी option नहीं होगा. Let's see. Okay, so first next one is the budget session of Bihar Legislative Assembly ran from 2nd of Feb to 27th of February. Is it true? Yes, it's also correct. Next one is the Ruby Rani has become the first female principal of Bihar Agriculture University, which is located in Sabor. Yes, it's also correct. So answer for this question is option number D is correct one, because there is asking about the not correct statement and all statement here is correct. So answer is option number D is the none of the above is correct one. Okay, next question is which state has been awarded the best state award for the 2026 which state has been awarded the best state award of the year 2026 for promoting sports? UP, Bihar, Orissa and Jharkhand. So answer for this question is option number B, Bihar is the correct one. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is which district of Bihar has the second largest industrial hub been announced? So Vaishali, Patna, East Champaran and West Champaran. So answer for this question is option number D, which is West Champaran is the correct one, and West Champaran is the second largest industrial hub been announced. So first one is Gaya ji. Okay, so first one is Gaya ji. So answer for this question is option number D. Let's come to the next question, which is Bihar ranks in the country in providing training to Panchayat representatives under the National Gram Swaraj Abhiyan, 1st, 2nd, 5th, 4th. So answer for this question is Bihar is first in the country in providing training Panchayat representatives under the National Gram Panchayat Abhiyan. Okay, so answer is option number A is the correct one. Let's come to the next question, which is under whose chairmanship has a high level committee been formed with the aim of doubling the state's per capita income? Former Justice Sanjeev Goyal, former CAG Girish Chandra Murmu, former Chief Secretary Naveen Kumar, former IMF, which is International. So answer Director Rangarajan. So answer for this question is option number C is the correct one, which is former Chief Secretary Naveen Kumar is the correct one. Okay, so let's come to the next question, which is which of the following closure sugar mill Okay, sugar mills have been announced to be reopened by the Bihar government. So first one is Chanpatia, West Champaran. Is it true? No, it's not true. So this is state. No, it's correct one. Okay, first statement is correct, which is Chanpatia, West Champaran. Barachakia, Motihari, yes, it's also correct one. Sasamusha in Gopalganj, it's also correct. Madura in Saran, it's also correct. So answer for this question is option number C is the correct one. Statement 1, 2, 3 and 4 all are correct. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is Bihar has become the state in the country to adopt the official Bharat Vistar logo, which is first, third, fourth, and seventh. So it's a first state in the country to adopt official Bharat Vistar logo. So answer is option number A is the correct one. Next question is ISRO has announced the installation of West Champaran एंड भागलपुर. क्या इंस्टॉल करने जा रहा है वेस्ट चंपारण और भागलपुर में? सो फर्स्ट वन इज डॉपलर मिलिट्री रडार, डॉपलर वेदर रडार, डॉपलर नेविगेशन रडार और नन ऑफ द एबव. सो आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट वन, विच इज डॉपलर वेदर रडार इज द करेक्ट वन. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज Four new Silpagram have been announced to be developed in Bihar. Which one of is not included in the new Silpagram? Okay, so first one is Jitwarpur in Madhubani. No, it's not included. Rayam in Darbhanga. Yes, it's a correct one. Bhushara of Muzaffarpur, correct one. Bharkati of Gaya, correct one. Randi in Madhubani, yes, it's also correct. So answer for this question is option number second, third, 4 and 5 is the correct one, and only statement 1 is incorrect. So answer for this question is option number A, because there is asking about the not included, and all 4 are included excluding first statement, which is Jitwarpur in Madhubani, not included in this one. Okay, so answer is option number A is the correct one. Let's come to the next question, which is who was designed the Nodal Institute for Bihar under the Yuva Sangam phase 6. Yuva Sangam phase 6. So Patna Science College, Magad University, IIT Patna, AIIMS Patna. So answer for this question is option number C is the correct one, which is IIT Patna was designated as the Nodal Institute for Bihar under Yuva Sangam phase 6. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is where was the Bihar Development Summit 2026 held? बिहार डेवलपमेंट समिट 2026 कहाँ पे हुआ है? सो नागपुर, चेन्नई, मुंबई, न्यू दिल्ली. सो आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी, विच इज हेल्ड इन न्यू दिल्ली. ओके, लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज match list 1 which is campaign and mission with list 2 by किसके द्वारा स्टार्ट किया गया है, and select the correct answer using the code given below. Okay, so first one is agri stack campaign, it's by agriculture department. So A का हो जाएगा 4, then हो जाएगा campaign बसेरा 2, it's done by the state government. So B का हो जाएगा क्या 3, and know your army, it's started by the governor. So C का हो जाएगा 2, and महिला शक्ति अभियान started by the Bihar police. So D का हो जाएगा क्या, so 1. So answer for this question is 4, 3, 2, 1, which is 4, 3, 2, 1 here. So answer is option number C is the correct one. Let's come to the next question, which is which state was declared as the focus state at the India Electricity Summit, India Electricity Summit 2026 held in New Delhi in March 2026. So, ये कौन सा डिक्लेयर किया है फोकस स्टेट? बिहार, गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, मध्य प्रदेश. सो आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, विच इज बिहार इज द करेक्ट वन. ओके, लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज ऑन विच टू डेट्स वर द टू फेज ऑफ द 18th Bihar legislative elections held, which is in 6 and 11 November 2025, 1 and 11 November 2025, 10 and 15 November 2025, or 11 and 18 November 2025. So answer for this question is option number A, which is correct one. 6 and 11 November 2025 is the correct. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is how many phases of voting took place in the 2025 Bihar Assembly election, and what was the total turnout? So 2 rounds 66.91%, 2 rounds 56.97%, 1 round 60.75%, or 3 rounds 70.11%. Okay, so answer for this question is option number A is the correct one, which is 2 round and 66.91% is the total voter turnouts of the Bihar Assembly election. Okay, 2025. Next question is who received the player of the tournament award in the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy 2025-26, which is Anukul Roy, Ishan Kishan, Vaibhav Suryavanshi, and Saurav Tiwari. So answer for this question is option number A is the correct one, which is Anukul Roy is the correct answer. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is on 5th of May 2025 the Bihar government changed On 5th of May, the Bihar government changed the name of the city Gaya to Gayaji. What is the Gayaji called in mythology? Gayaji called Gayasur, Tadkasur, Bhasmasur, or Banasur. So answer for this question is option number A is the correct one, which is Gayasur is the correct answer. Let's come to the next question, which is consider the false statement. Okay, इसमें फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट पूछा गया है. सो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज ऑन 5th of May 2026 प्रेसिडेंट To Lam of Vietnam arrived in Bodh Gaya on one-day visit. Is it true? Yes, it's a correct one. Next statement is Bihar's first forensic science university campus will be built in Dumri Punpun. Is it true? Yes, it's also correct. Next one is Piyush Raj of Rohtas won silver medal in the 400-meter race at the Junior National Athletic Championship. Is it true? Yes, it's also correct one. Next one is on April 16, 2026, the Ministry of Women and Child Development organized a nutrition fortnight in Begusarai, Bihar as a part of nationwide nutrition awareness campaign. Yes, it's also correct. So answer for this question is option number D is the correct one. None of the above statement is correct, and there is asking about the false statement. So answer is option number D. All of the none of the above is correct one. False one. Let's come to the next question, which is which new mobile application was used by the Election Commission of India during the Bihar Assembly election held in November 2025. It's ICI Net, which is Election Commission of India Net, C-Vigil, Election Commission of India, ECI. So answer for this question is option number B is the correct one, which is ECI Net is used by the Election Commission during the Bihar Assembly election. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is Which institute presented the prestigious Golden Peacock Award 2026 to the Directorate of Horticulture, Department of Agriculture for its work on Makhana value chain? So statement 1 is Institute of Directors, Institute of Agriculture, Institute of Foreign Agriculture. So answer for this question is option number A is the correct one, which is Institute of Directors is the correct one. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is which African countries have been selected by the United Nations organization, which is UNO, to implement Bihar's bicycle scheme? So first one statement is Zambia, Mali, Madagascar, and D, which is A and B both. So answer for this question is option number D is the correct one. Mali and Zambia both are implemented Bihar's bicycle scheme. Okay, so answer is option number D. Let's come to the next question, which is Bihar's women rugby team. Bihar's women rugby team created history by defeating which state? Orissa, Haryana, Jharkhand, and Maharashtra by 22-0 to win gold medal on its rugby debut at the Khelo India Youth Game 2025. So हरियाणा, ओडिशा, झारखंड एंड महाराष्ट्र. सो आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज किसको हराया था? तो ओडिशा को. सो आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज द करेक्ट वन. ओके, लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज question number 36. Okay, so first statement is match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer from codes given below. So list 1 is apps and portal, and the second is issuer. So first one is e-Lavarthi is issued by Social Welfare Department. E-Vidhan, which is issued by Legislative Assembly. Chalo app, which is issued by BSRTC, and Cyber Senani issued by Bihar Police. So answer is A का हो जाएगा 2, B का हो जाएगा 1, and C का हो जाएगा 3, and D का हो जाएगा 4. So answer is option number A, which is 1, 2, 3, sorry 2, 1, 3 and 4 is the correct one. Okay, next question is which personality from Bihar has been selected for the National Handloom Award 2024. नेशनल हैंडलूम अवार्ड 2024 के लिए कौन सा पर्सनैलिटी को सेलेक्ट किया गया? सो फर्स्ट वन पुष्पेंद्र कुमार, सुनील कुमार, कमलेश कुमार, सचिन चतुर्वेदी. सो आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द करेक्ट वन, विच इज कमलेश कुमार. ओके, let's come to the next question, which is what rank did Gaya receives among cities with population of less than 1 million of the Swachh Sarvekshan 2024-25? So is it 25th, 26th, 27th or 28th? So answer for this question is option number C, which is 27th rank. Okay, so option C is the correct one. Next question is what was the mascot of the under 20? mascot क्या है? under 20 Asia Rugby Championship 2025 held in Rajgir in August 2025. Okay, so it is Asoka, Virat, Vishnu, Mahabodhi. So answer for this question is option number A is correct one, which is Asoka is the mascot of the under 20 Asia Rugby Championship 2025, which is held in Rajgir in August 2025. Okay, it's a very important question. आपको ये याद रखने की ज़रूरत है, क्या पता ये आ जाए एग्ज़ाम के से रिलेटेड, ये बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज by which year has the target been set to increase the green cover in Bihar state to 17%? It's 2030, 2032, 2019 and 2028. So answer is option number D, 2028 is the correct one. Okay, next question is what was the theme What was the theme of the Bihar Pavilion at the 43rd? What was the theme of the Bihar Pavilion at the 43rd Indian International Trade Fair, for which Bihar was awarded the gold medal? Okay, so Bihar every step towards development, Bihar culture and prosperity, developed Bihar 2047, Bihar Center for Progress. So answer for this question is option number C is the correct one, which is developed Bihar 2047 is the correct one. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is consider the following statements, and there is asking about the true statement about the Kutir Jyoti Yojana. Okay, so first statement is Bihar government has launched the Kutir Jyoti Yojana. Yes, it's a correct one. Next one is instruction have been given to integrate this scheme with the Pradhan Mantri Surya Ghar Yojana and expedite its implementation. Yes, it's also correct. So answer for this question is option number C. Both statement 1 and 2 is the correct one. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is which short film by Bihar based actor Sanjay Mishra nominated फॉर द ऑस्कर? संजय मिश्रा किस ये के लिए ऑस्कर के लिए नॉमिनेट किया गया? सो फर्स्ट वन इज मसान, वध, गिद्ध, आंखों देखिए. सो आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द करेक्ट वन, विच इज गिद्ध. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वेयर वॉज बिहार फर्स्ट स्टोमा क्लिनिक ओपन? बिहार का फर्स्ट स्टोमा क्लिनिक ओपन कहाँ पे हुआ है? सो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज एम्स पटना, IGIMS पटना, SKMCH मुजफ्फरपुर, महावीर कैंसर इंस्टीट्यूट पटना. सो आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट वन, विच इज IGIMS पटना. ओके, वहाँ पे फर्स्ट स्टोमा क्लिनिक ओपन हुआ है बिहार का. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज in which of the following district has a special economic zone been announced? SEZ का फुल फॉर्म क्या होता है? स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन. ओके, सो कहाँ पे अनाउंस किया गया है? सो बक्सर, वेस्ट चंपारण, पूर्णिया एंड बोथ A and B. So answer for this question is option number D is the correct one, which is बक्सर एंड वेस्ट चंपारण दोनों जगह पे अनाउंस किया गया है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज in June 2025, Bihar State Bridge Construction Corporation signed an agreement with the Institutions for Safety Inspection of Bridges, which is IIT Patna and IIT Delhi, IIT Patna and IIT Mumbai, IIT Guwahati and IIT Kharagpur, IIT Patna and IIT Roorkee. So answer for this question is IIT Patna and IIT Delhi is the correct one. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is consider the following statements regarding the Swachh Bharat Sarvekshan Gramin 2025. Swachh Survekshan Gramin 2025, and there is asking about the incorrect statement. So first one is Bihar has been declared the best performing state in Eastern India in the Swachh Sarvekshan Gramin 2025. Is it true? Yes, it's a correct one. Next statement is UP is the best performing state at the national level in this survey. Yes, it's also correct. Next one is the Bhagalpur district of Bihar secured first position in the entire eastern zone. Yes, it's also correct. So answer for this question is, just because there is asking about the not incorrect statements, so option number D is the correct one. None of the above is correct one. Okay, sorry, none of the above is incorrect statement here. All of the above is correct statement. So answer is option number D is the correct one. Okay, next question is which mascot has the State Election Commission recently adopted as the electoral identity of Bihar? So first one is little sparrow, little bird, little ship, or none of the above. So answer for this question is little bird is the correct one. Okay. So option number B is the correct statement. Let's come to the next question, which is Spectrum 2026 was held at. कहाँ पे हुआ है? So first one is Institute of Fashion Technology, which is NIFT Patna, National Institute of Fashion Technology NIFT Hajipur, Indian Institute of Technology, which is IIT Patna, NIT Patna, which is National Institute of Technology. So answer for this question is option number A is the correct one, which is Institute of Fashion Technology NIFT in Patna. So answer is option number A is the correct one. Next question is, according to the result declared on March 16, 2026, the National Domestic Alliance NDA won how many Rajya Sabha seats in Bihar? 5, all 5, all 4, all 7, all 3. So answer for this question is option number A is the correct one, which is all 5 seats won by the NDA. Okay. So thank you so much guys. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.